Have you ever wondered how marble statues are repaired? In this video, I'll show you how to go from this to this. The first thing you'll want to do is collect and reassemble every piece you have available. No piece is too small, and if you can put together all of the original pieces, it's better than using a filler. For my binder, I'm using a 2-part resin-based glue called VMAX. This is a resin formulated specifically for use with marble. It has a high viscosity, which means it doesn't run or flow quickly, and it can create some textures such as ridges and peaks. The work time is about 4 to 6 minutes, with a cure time of about 20 minutes, but I usually let it sit for just a little bit longer for maximum security. You'll definitely want to work in a well-ventilated area when using this stuff, and unlike myself, you should probably be wearing some gloves. Since this glue sets really quickly, I recommend mixing a little bit of glue at a time as you work through the various sections of your sculpture. Glue on one section at a time, and really make sure you're aligning these pieces together accurately. Any glue that seeps out can be wiped away. You may also notice glue seeping out between pieces on the interior sections of your marble. But to avoid spreading that glue around and getting stuck in all that texture, don't wipe away just yet. Before we get to that, we want to make sure these pieces are squeezed together in place as tightly as possible, so you'll need a clamp or a banding strap. Before clamping down, loosely wrap the glued sections with plastic cling wrap. This will prevent your clamp from sticking to your sculpture. Tighten your clamp, peel away the cling wrap to expose the glued sections, and wipe away the excess glue that seeped out. Once the glue cures, remove the clamp and cling wrap and Dremel away the glue from the interior sections. A Dremel should easily chip away the beadlings of glue. Place this section back onto its original position to see if it sits and aligns perfectly. If the joints don't seem to fit together flush, you may have to Dremel away some of the interior content that may still have glue on it. Now it's time to attach two major pieces. First, brush off any dust or debris from both sides. Next, add glue and clamp down, making sure both sides align perfectly. Lastly, wipe away the excess glue. For this sculpture, the nose was missing entirely, so I fashioned a new nose out of ceramic clay, fired it, and glued that on. I glued on one last section of the crown, color matched all the joints for a seamless appearance, and that's it. This sculpture is just about as good as new. I hope you find this video useful and that it'll help bring a second life to your broken sculptures. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see a video on color matching and painting textures, leave a comment. Happy fixing!